What's going on? What's going on? Come on in. Come on in. How's everybody doing? I think I sent that by accident. I didn't mean to send that invite. My bad. But how you doing, Anastasia? I haven't seen you in a minute. How you doing? Kev, what's going on, man? How's everything going? How's the trading going? I hope the music isn't too loud. I was just practicing looking at the market. I like to listen to music when I trade the market because I just love music. It helps calm down and so I can take better trades. You know, just a little tactic that I use. So if you trade, how did everybody do? I hope everybody made some money today. V, what's going on? How you doing? Come on in, come on in. I day trade.
Hey, Coach.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? So yeah, I day trade. I teach people how to build digital products. I teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing. If you want to learn everything that I do to make money, I can teach you everything I do to make money.
I was chasing.
Oh no. Oh no. We can't allow the market to kick our butt, okay? You got to control the market. You know, don't overtrade. Because I ain't gonna lie, when the market opened up, we were running a little behind today because I'm in Vegas. We was running a little behind, so as soon as I sat down, opened up my charts, I marked up my levels, and I just started like trading crazy. And I was like, why did I take that trade? So I had to calm down and just wait for my level. Once my level came, I placed the trade, made my money. The trade that I lost, I was able to recoup the money and get a profit. But it was just for some reason, I got in the market and just was like, just buying and selling with it was moving. So I wasn't really buying for a reason, so I had to slow down. So even I have to slow down and check myself sometimes. So don't feel bad, it happens. Sean, what's going on? If I'm being honest, I'm falling in love. Another touch without you there. If I'm being honest, I'm falling in love. Question about
trading, bro.
Oh, you want to start trading? Come on in, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, man. My course will get you right. But you have to focus. You still have to focus, okay? But yeah, my course, just go to MHT Wealth Corner. The first option is my course. It's not hard. Making money is not hard. You just got to focus. But I teach you strategies. I teach you how to trade. I teach you how to use NinjaTrader platform, all that. Yeah, I think my course is very well put together, and it really does help beginners. Kiana, what's going on? I told you I was about to go live. You give me that grind. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. See, I like going live with my phone better because I can it's more interactive to me. It's more interactive to me. But yeah, we in Vegas, you know what I'm saying? It was a beautiful day today. The cool thing about trading in Vegas is you could get up at 5:30 in the morning, trade about 6:30, and be done by 8 o'clock in the morning because of the time difference. What's going on, man? How you doing? Hey, Kiana, I gotta get me a accent wall. I want an accent wall now. Oh, appreciate that. Thank you, man. I really enjoyed the military. It was fun. Market. That's it. We in Vegas right now for trading. I teach. I speak at trade conventions. I teach people how to build digital products, AI, whatever you want to do. If I can't teach you how to do it, I got somebody that can teach you. If I can't teach you, I got somebody that can teach you. So,
you're at a trade convention.
Yep, I'm at a trade convention in Vegas. I am a speaker. I speak at trade conventions. This is my second year speaking at trade convention. I was here the same time last year. Yeah, but we got some good money today. Oh, we got some good money today. I don't even think I posted my results.
Maybe I can go next year.
Hey, come on. Come on. We trade together in the morning. About 6:30, about 6 o'clock in the morning, we start trading. Because of the time. But the cool thing about being in Vegas and trading is I could be done by 8 o'clock in the morning. I got the whole day to chill. Last night we went to a restaurant. That food was amazing. Amazing food. I'm a food person.
You trade futures or just options?
Futures. I trade the futures market. Just futures. I used to trade options. But I make way more money with futures. There's way more money in futures. I'm literally looking at my charts right now. I'll show you. I'm always looking at charts. I'm literally looking at my charts right now. I'll show you. I'm always looking at charts. It's quite simple to understand the strategies. That's the easy part. The hard part of day trading is getting your ass out the market. The hard part is making your money and getting out. That's the hard part.
Try that one medieval restaurant.
That's the hard part.
Try that one medieval restaurant. It's
Green Day, but it was pennies.
Okay. Well, I mean, green is green, right? Green is green. I don't appreciate the light. Thank you, Kiana. Yeah, but appreciate the light. Thank you, Kiana. Yeah, but best servers I ever had. A bit laggy. That might be the internet because I am on like the 12th, 13th floor. So sometimes the internet's a little shaky. My bad. Yeah, but I'm a post a restaurant. I think I posted it. I'm gonna post a restaurant on my page, and I'm gonna tag it. I'm gonna tag the restaurant. It was good food. As I say, it's about $150 per person is what our bill basically totaled. But that's with drinks. That's with drinks. Not bad.
The convention. So
It's a convention. About 300 people. Yeah, we You should be doing 90 a week. You've been trading for 15 plus years. Shit. That's a long time. Been trading like maybe 4.5 years, right around 4.5 years. I started learning in 2020. I started learning in 2019. Didn't take it serious to about 2020. I left my job 2021. So when I say I got serious, I got serious. I got serious with my charting. I got serious with my practice. I got serious with my affiliate marketing. All that stuff. I just got serious with everything. Tonic, what's going on? Hope you did good today.
What's the best way to memorize the candle patterns?
The best way to memorize them? Ooh. I picked two setups, two strategies, and I literally circled every time I seen them. I would load up like 3 days, and I would just scroll, and I will find those setups throughout the chart. I will go on a 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 5 minute, and I will find those setups on all the charts. And I will circle them until I just, now it's like an eyeball. I can look at it and see the setups happening.
Murray change.
Sosa, what's going on, man? What is going on? I'm just in Vegas, chilling, willing and dealing. Chilling and willing and dealing.
Oh man, look how it is. In chilling today. It's been raining all day.
How'd you do in the market?
The market rarely hits my lines after 5.
After 5 what? After 5 a.m.? Because the market closes at 5. And it opens back up at 6. Well, the market closes at 5 and opens up at 6.
Profit on my stocks.
Oh, you didn't? Okay. Well, you still took some profit. That's what's up.
Find my time so 6.
Oh, hey, welcome to the fan club, man. That's awesome. Oh, 5. Okay, so, yeah, so after 6 o'clock, the market is really slow at night.
At 10 cents and sold at 1.03.
Nice, nice.
Sup, go, brother.
Hey, what's going on, Matt? I'm just talking about trading because I trade the stock market. It was a really good trade day today. I'll show you. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Because I trade the stock market. It was a really good trade day today. I'll show you. I'll show you what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. You know, today was a really good day. I didn't post my results because we were moving and grooving. But
You were trying to get a trade at 8.
I can show you. This was yesterday. That's what I did yesterday. I'm in Vegas. I traded today. I just dipped on out. Yeah, 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. is a good time to trade because 8 p.m. is the Asian market. The Asian market opens up at 8 p.m. And then London market opens up at 3 or 4. I gotta check. Market opens up at 8 p.m. And then London market opens up at 3 or 4. I gotta check. But it was up about 3 or 4. Yeah, so I'm just looking at the charts because I'm addicted to the market. Hey, appreciate the heart, the flowers. Thank you so much. How you doing, Empress? But yeah, draw. I'm gonna trade. That's for damn sure. Oh, appreciate that. Thank you so much. Just showering me with gifts. Howdy, folks. That hat is so cool. I would probably buy a big hat like that one day. I can see myself doing that and move to Texas. Like that one day. I can see myself doing that and move to Texas. But, today, what did I do? What did I do today? How much? Let me see how much I made today. I made a little bit over 12. I got a little bit over 12 today. So to me, that's a good day. Anything green is a good day. So I did about green is a good day. So I did about 12 today. Other than that, man, I didn't really trade too much. I didn't go overboard. I got my money, got up out of there. Yeah, but money, got up out of there. Yeah, but if you want to trade trading at night is a good time to trade. You just have to be more patient because the market moves a lot slower at night than it does at 9:30. Gifts. You know I gotta return favor. It could be internet here. Let me see if I could get better internet. Let me know if it's still lagging. I went ahead and turned the internet off because the building, the hotel Wi-Fi, sometimes be a little shaky. So let me know if the live is a little better now. If the live is a little better now, because I just logged out of the hotel Wi-Fi. See, that's why when I'm at home, I can see how the live goes because I have my tablet.
Better small low. I wish it was just us in this bitch.
Say better. Yeah. This year I'm around, so it feels good outside. We just had lunch. Had lunch outside. Done trading at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Did you go for swimming yesterday?
Yes, yeah, I did. Yeah, we eventually went to the pool. I didn't get any recording because we were just chilling. We were just chilling at the pool. Yesterday wasn't that hot, so I was just in the jacuzzi, and I'll probably be in the jacuzzi tonight. I'll probably go down there about another 30 minutes. I go downstairs, sit in the jacuzzi, and chill. Cause it's not hot. To me, it's not hot enough to be in the pool, but I'm gonna chill down there for sure.
Your internet is still.
It's not that good. Let me see if I can fix it for you.
Dad.
All right, it's connected to the hotel. Let me see if that's better. All right, I went ahead and connected it to the hotel. Is the internet a little bit better? Because I said, when my internet, it says I have 5G, but also when I'm on the 12th floor, so being on the 12th floor might affect it a little bit more. But I just logged into the hotel Wi-Fi, and let's see if that works a little bit better. Hopefully it does. If not, I mean, I have to go live later, but I'm going to the pool if I get over here. When I get over here, I'm going to the jacuzzi, and I'm going to chill and enjoy Vegas. That's why I haven't been live in like what? I didn't go live yesterday, but I've been posting. I've still been posting the videos, stuff like that. I got so many videos to edit. I'll probably be posting this in Puerto Rico for the next month and a half, because Puerto Rico was fun too. And you already know what your boy is sipping on. This ain't no soda. Yeah, but yeah, guys. I said, anything you want to learn, I understand. Trading isn't for everybody, but there's a lot. There's a lot of different things you can do in the market. If you don't want to trade the futures market, you got Forex. You don't want to do Forex, you got options. You know, it's so, trading is way more than just one thing. But if you don't want to trade at all, I also show people how to make money with digital products. My trading course is a digital product. Ebooks, those are digital products. I show people how to sell digital products, how to build them. So, you know, there's a lot more to do if you want to make money. You don't have you keep your 9 to 5 and learn these other avenues to make more money. That's all. That's all I did. I worked my job. On anytime I have free time, I practiced in the market. I started learning about affiliate marketing, digital marketing. I started learning about all those things because my goal was always to quit my job. I don't like working for anybody. Never did. Even in the military, I didn't like all those people telling me what to do. You know, it was just one of those things. I was like, I knew working wasn't for me. I just needed to find a way to still make a living without clocking in. At the end of the day, that's all I wanted to do, was make good money without having to clock into a job. And there's a process to do that, you know? There's a process in replacing your 9 to 5. You don't just wake up one day and quit your job and hope it works. I was at my job for over a year and a half before I left. And I was making money to leave, you know, 6-7 months into trading, but I stayed there because I wanted to make sure I could still make money. Hey, I appreciate all the gifts. They look awesome. But yeah, that was the main thing with me, was I wanted to be able to leave my job but still have a decent income. So I started that journey on learning how to do that. I learned how to do affiliate marketing. I learned how to build my course while I was learning how to trade. You know, like I was doing all of it. I was doing everything because it's all about how much you want it. If you don't want it enough to practice every day, you'll never get it. You have to put in practice. You have to put in work. It's so funny. You can see everybody down there. I don't even have a live goal. Jay Lee, what's going on? I'm in Vegas. I'm trading, having fun, enjoying my time. If you guys have any questions about day trading, that's what I'm here for. If you want to learn how to day trade, all you do is go to MHT Wealth Corner. MHT Wealth Corner. The very first option is my trade course. I teach beginners. You'll be fine. I got you. You will be fine. Trust me. I'm telling you, Vegas is fun. I enjoy Vegas, but I more so like going off the Vegas Strip because there's so much more outside of the actual Vegas Strip. So that's what I like doing. So how's everybody doing? What y'all do today? Talk to me. Did y'all trade? Do I have any traders in the building? I think I'm gonna go to the pool. It's 5 o'clock. The pool closed around 7. Yeah, but we're going out. We're going out to eat. We're going out to eat around 7. So. Yeah, I don't know what I want to eat. I want some Jamaican food tonight. I want some Jamaican. We had Korean barbecue. That was really good. We had Korean barbecue. That was good. What's going on, Jay Les? Jay Les in the building. How you doing, man? It is so. Where my room is, I can literally see the mountains. I can see the mountains over there. It's an awesome view. I'll show you what it looks like. See that? You can see the mountains over there. Looks pretty cool. You see it. You see all the mountains over there chilling. You know, I think it looks really cool. But yeah, it's not too hot outside. It feels really good. So I might go to the hot tub, sit there and chill for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We're supposed to go get some food at 7. So if I go down there at 5, hang out till about 5:45, 6 o'clock. I come back up here, hop in the shower, get ready to head out. Pass through, what's going on? What up? Did you get some trades done today? Or did you trade today at all? Hey, appreciate that, man. What's going on, brother? Yeah, I'm in Vegas chilling, trading, having fun. I hope you've been practicing, man. I hope you've been practicing. If you need help, man, if we have to, we could do a Zoom call. If you have the Zoom, we could do a Zoom call. If we got to get on a call to help you set up your charts, let me know, man. Sweet honey. Well, all right. Well, all right. Sweet honey in the house now. Vegas have unmanned vehicles. They are driving unmanned vehicles. I literally see one down there. That's crazy. You're struggling trading futures? Who's your instructor? Who is your instructor? Because I could probably pull up your instructor's page and see if he's legit. I can tell if somebody's a legit trader. You know what? But what are you struggling with?
Nobody justly.
Hold on. You're trading by you are trying to teach yourself how to trade futures. You're going to pick up some bad habits, and it's very hard to break bad habits. Very hard. What I recommend is finding you a mentor. If not me, you got to find somebody. Sebastian, say hi, what's going on? Yeah, if you don't have a mentor, if you don't trust me, you need to at least find you a mentor. Because trying to do this and teach yourself, not saying you can't do it, but you're gonna have a lot of losses in the trials.
Risk management.
Oh, I'm still on vacation. I'm still on vacation, baby. You know what I'm saying? Still in this beautiful area. I'm about to go downstairs to the pool area. Get my swim on. I'm already getting my drink on. I'm not drinking that much. See, I also got Pepsi.
I wish one day I quit my job as well.
You can definitely quit your job. Call them right now. Don't call right now. Don't quit now. Just focus. Just focus. I think if you haven't gotten a consistent withdrawal, I think you need to lower your target. Rashonda, what's going on? Yeah, but if you've been trading for more than 3 years, 4 years, and you are not able to quit your job yet, we got to talk. We got to talk. Because if you've been trading futures 100% for 4 years, you should be able to quit your job if you want to. If not, we got to talk about it because you're doing something wrong. You're doing something wrong. And we need to figure out what that is. But when I get off of here, I got to post my results in my Discord group if I didn't do it yet. Because, just to show the students that you can trade from anywhere in the world. When I'm at home, I make money. When I was in Puerto Rico, I made money trading. I'm in Vegas, I made money trading in Vegas. You make money no matter where you at. Will I be on Saturday in the Discord? I sure will. I sure will. It will be at 2 o'clock. It will be at 2 o'clock. Because, my son's soccer game. But yeah, I'll be there Saturday. Write down your questions. Yeah, I'm about to.
Definitely, it's me. I do something wrong, control or emotion. Yesterday, I lost 10K profit.
10K profit.
You're still in Nevada.
Did you just say 10K of profit? Sayat, you need to set a loss limit. If your loss limit is $250, if you lose $250, you got to stop. You gotta stop. Yeah, I'm still in Nevada. I'm still in Nevada, baby. From Puerto Rico to Nevada. Yeah, that's a lot. You have to control your emotions. If you lose a certain amount of money, you need to know how to stop. The hardest part about day trading is knowing when to stop. If you hit your target, make a realistic target, okay? Your target should not be a number that you very rarely reach. If you can't make $500, I say 6 out of 10 trades, then that is not your average. You need to find out what your average is and just do that every trade, for one. For two, set a loss limit. If you lose $200, stop. Come back tomorrow. If you want your loss to be 500, once you see negative 500, stop, come back the next day. Don't keep trading. Do I know anything about Top Step? Yeah, I know about Top Step. But I'm a Bullinox Apex guy. I like Bullinox and Apex. But yeah, I know a lot of things about Top Step. I think Top Step is a very legit company. They're an awesome company. They just don't let you have enough accounts for me.
I'm gonna take a break this week. Next week we need to talk, my brother.
We sure do. The problem you're having is here. The problem you having being a consistent trader is here. You gotta know when to stop. There's a lot of undisciplined men in prison.
Signs of Top Step.
The downside of Top Step, I think you can only have 5 accounts. That's a downside to me. You only have 5 accounts. Nope, don't want it. And I don't know how often they do a sale. Firing in the building. What up? And the cost. They are more expensive. Bullinox got a sale going on right now. Bullinox has a 91% sale right now. If you know, you know.
I follow your strategy. Support resistance, big issue control, and most for me. What's
Yeah. My code for Apex or Bullinox? Yeah, your issue is definitely up here, Syed. Is Mr. H Trades 91. Mr. H Trades 91. And it works on a 50K or higher, not a 25K. 50K or higher is 91% off. But yeah, Syed, your issue is mental. It's not strategy. Yeah, I like Bullinox. And you can have 11 accounts with Bullinox. You got 11 accounts. But y'all know I'm always Apex. Apex have paid me very well. Okay? And when I say paid me, I made the money. it's not like they just gave me money. But their payouts, I get their payouts fast. And Apex allows you to have 20 accounts. 20 accounts is a lot. One thing about Vegas, when you leave and go outside, there's so many people that smoke. You literally smell it everywhere. Anywhere you walk on a strip, you're going to smell it. Right now, later on, we are going to the Venetian. The Venetian is a very nice hotel. I'm at the Luxor right now. And don't get me wrong, I like the Luxor, but the Venetian is way nicer. I mean, one of the guys that's in the trade group, in our trade room, they comped him a room at the Venetian. That's how much he's in Vegas. He got a suite at the Venetian that the hotel comped him. Yeah, I like the Wynn. I like Wynn. We was in there last night. But yeah, he's so good at gambling, or bad, I don't know. But Venetian gave him a room. It's a nice suite too. That's where we go to trade. We trade in his room every morning.
Do you prefer them or Apex?
I like Apex first. Only because Apex allows you to have 20 accounts. Bullinox allows you to have 11 accounts, but they stagger them. So you could get your first 3 accounts, but you can't get account number 4 until you got a withdrawal from 1, 2, or 3. Once you get a withdrawal from 1, 2, or 3, then they'll let you get a 4th account. You can't get account number 5 until you get another payout from another account. But Apex, you can get 20 accounts and get all 20 accounts approved back to back. So that's why I like Apex, because they give you 20, they let you get 20 accounts. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
I wish I bought more Evils when Apex had 90% sale.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I do. When they have a 91%, give me about 10. Give me about 10 of them. Por favor. Give me about 10, por favor. Now, what I do, right? This is what I do. I'll get one $300,000 trade account, right? I'll get one $300,000 trade account, and I would trade that account when I get that itchy trigger finger. When you just gotta take a trade, I'll take a trade on that 300K account because the threshold is a lot bigger. So if I already made my money and I just feel the need to take a crazy trade, I literally use that 300K account as my throwaway account. I use it as a throwaway account where I just take big trades or crazy trades just to get it out of my system. That's just one strategy that I use to be more intentional. Hey, appreciate the heart me. So yeah, that's the way that I kind of keep my impulsive trading in check. I'll get a random 300K account and I'll just play something crazy with it.
Makes sense due to the drawdown.
Hi.
Okay. You got 2150Ks. What's going on, Anthony? Yeah, but that's what I do to control that greed or that feeling of over trading. You know what I'm saying? Like to get over that anxiety of trading or FOMO or I just gotta take a trade. I literally have a $300,000 trade account evaluation that I'm not even trying to pass. I don't even try to pass. I just use the trade crazy with. Oh, appreciate that. Thank you so much. That was awesome. Have you had this issue before and how did you fix it? Yes, I had that issue. I set targets. I set a max amount of money I'm willing to lose. Once I lose that, I stop. I come back the next day. What's going on? Yeah, so that's what I do. That's all I do. I have a limit. If I lose 250, I don't trade again till the next day. I have a target. If I hit 200, I stop. I trade again tomorrow. But you have to have a stop loss, a max loss, and a profit. As long as you have a max loss and a profit, you will not overtrade. You won't get to the point of blowing your accounts because once you hit a certain level, you gotta stop. The hardest part about day trading is stopping. Not starting, not taking a trade, not learning the strategies. All that is easy. The hardest part is getting your money and stopping. Losing money, stopping. The hardest part about the market is stopping. S-T-O-P. Repeat after me. S-T-O-P is the hardest part about the market, y'all. Learning strategies, easy. Clicking buttons, easy. Learning how to use NinjaTrader platform, easy. But once you make your money, stop. Once you lose too much money, stop. Because until you learn how to stop, all that other stuff don't even matter. You can know every strategy in the book. If you don't know when to stop trading, them strategies don't mean shit. You gotta have discipline to stop trading once you lose a certain amount of money. Write down what that amount is. Once you lose that amount, stop. Write down what your target is. If your target is $100 a day, is your target $200 a day? Once you get that 100, 200, stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Come back the next day. Until you can master getting or losing your money and stopping until you lose more, that's the only way to be a good trader. The only way. You can't be a good trader if you're just rolling the dice on a trade. You can't be a good trader if you get upset when you lose $200. You know? You have to be intentional with your trades. Get in at a certain time that you marked off. Don't get in early. Try not to get in late. If you put the marker right here, you need to try to get in at that mark. You know, that's it. You know what I noticed? Every Uber in Vegas, damn near every Uber in Vegas is a Tesla. It's a Tesla. Like out of five Lyft or Uber rides, I say 4 of them were Teslas. One of the just cool. One of the drivers picked us up. He typed in the address and just sat back like this. The car literally dropped, you know, y'all know they drive themselves. They drive themselves. So because his car drives itself, all he does is type in the address of whoever booked his Uber or Lyft. He'll punch in the direction, the address, and just let the Tesla drive all the way I'm talking about his hands were like, I was in the front seat. His hands were like this, and he was just looking straight talking. Because it was like the camera has to see your eyes. So he was just talking like, yeah, blah, blah, blah. You should go here to try this place. The whole time, the whole 10, 15-minute drive, he was like this with his hands crossed, just talking to us. And the car was just, bro, the car was turning. Like, he got to where we were going, and it was like a roundabout. Look, without him touching the steering wheel, the car just pulled in and did a roundabout and parked. And we got out the car. He didn't turn out one steering wheel. Maybe an acute turn, like a right turn, left turn. He probably left it right and turned. But other than that, that thing was driving itself. And we were just in there chilling, talking. And I didn't even notice it, because when he said it and put his arms like this, I was like,
Pocket option broker.
about pocket options. What about, hold on. What about pocket options broker? What about it? You said, is this supposed to be what about pocket options broker? I wouldn't know because I don't do pocket options. I day trade the futures market on NinjaTrader. Need you on your worst behavior. I can dig it. Taco Bell, what's going on? Taco Bell in the house now. I'm pretty sure y'all can get a little tappy tap. Can I get a couple tap taps? Kimberly, what's going on, Kimberly? What time is it? It is 5:16, guys. I actually got to roll. I want to go to the jacuzzi. I want to go to the jacuzzi, so I'm going to have to check you guys later, okay? I fly out tomorrow. So I'll be home.
Account versus found account with the best.
Live account versus found.
Have a good one.
What you mean live versus found? You mean funded account? Funded account. I will always recommend a funded account, especially if you're not good at trading. You don't want to play with your own money. Use Apex money. Use Bullinox money. Don't use your own money. But yeah, Rashonda, I'm about to head out because I want to go to the jacuzzi before the sun goes down. I want to chill in the jacuzzi. Yeah. So I will check you guys later. All right. I might go live on my way up out of here. I don't know. But Saturday practice is on and popping. All right. See you guys later.